third person camera. As we talk about cameras, I want to add this one to the list. So, the first thing I'm going to do is grab a camera actor out of the content browser. Again, content browser located here, actor classes, and then camera actor. Now I'll hop into my top view and find my player start within the level. You have to have a player start. I'm starting out with the default level here that given to Unreal. You see that little arrow? The little arrow represents where the player is going to be starting and facing. So in this case, I'm going to take my camera and put it a little bit back and a little bit of up. There's always going to be adjustments. Okay, next we write some Kismet. Here's my Kismet window. The first thing I'm going to look for is a new event or new action. The first one's always almost impossible to find all the time. Ah, there it is. Level loaded. Okay. Next, a new action. Actor. Attach to actor. Okay, next. We need a new action. Camera. Set camera target. Now we need two variables, and the one is going to be the player. So we do that by just right-clicking new player. And the other one's going to be the camera. So the camera you have to highlight and then right-click new object variable camera. All right. So that's how I usually roll, is getting all my chess pieces out on the same place and then hold control to click and drag them. Then it works just like circuitry. So click and drag. Okay, click and drag. Target. Camera. Attaching camera. Camera. Target. And there we go. So player is always the target. What we're talking about is the camera. So it gets attached and the target at the same time. All right, last but not least, all your main triggers like this always have a max trigger count, so you always have to put those at 0 or they just won't work. All right, let's try it out. To activate this one, you have to go play in editor. All right, once you realize that you have to switch game types. So that's always one of those things with this stuff with cameras. So world properties, UT game, play in editor. All right, there we are. Third person camera view. Now it's a little hard to control the weapon, of course, because it's not really meant to be a third-person game. But there you go. Just in case you want to start playing around with when you do develop a level and you want to see the character jump or whatever, you can get that. Now, of course, adjusting this has a great deal of impact over that. So if I went like this, then jumped in play in editor, you can now see the character a little bit more. All right. Enjoy third person camera. See you in the next video.